Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we are going to show you one more top games video, and here we have the 5 best graphics games which you should check out on your Android and iOS device this month. And guys, if you like this series, then do let us know in the comment section below, and we will try to make more videos in this category. So let's begin our today's video, and as usual, we will be showing the games in random order. So the first game we have in our list is the War After. War After is a new player versus player game. In this game the storyline is very good, and in the game you choose your side and then fight and develop your tactics according to the arena, your side, guns and style of war. You dive into ending action and strike your enemies. This game is an online PvP game, and here you fight against players around the world. There are tons of weapons to choose from, and you have guns such as SMG, assault rifles, sniper rifles and so on. As expected, the graphics in this game are very good and the gameplay is addictive. The controls are easy and you get the hang of it in a few minutes. Overall, if you're looking for a high graphics PvP game, then definitely check out War After. The next game we have in our list is the Sky. Most of you have already played this game, and to be honest, Sky is still one of my favorite high graphics games which offers immersive gameplay. The game has beautiful animations, and in the game you arrive as a child of light with the hope to return fallen stars to their constellations. In this game there are 7 dreamlike realms to uncover the mystery. You encounter and socialize with like-minded players around the world. The graphics in these games are very good, and I find the controls also very nice. The gameplay and the storyline is one of the best I have seen in a mobile game. Overall, Sky is a beautiful game and has lot to offer. And yes, do play this game with the headphones so that you can enjoy this game with amazing sound effects. The next game we have in our list is the Shadow Fight 4. Shadow Fight 4 is a multiplayer fighting game. In this game you fight against other players in 2-player PvP combat. The game offers 3D graphics and realistic animations, and with the combination of both, you get the best looking epic fighting action. The controls in these games are very easy, and you get the console level experience in a mobile game. You level up and unlock your team with best warriors, samurai and ninja. Each has its own unique abilities that you can change and adjust to your style. Shadow Fight 4 is a great and a free-to-play game with amazing graphics, and even though the graphics are very good, it runs on most of the mobiles lag-free. Overall, this game is very addictive, and like the previous Shadow Fight games, you will find the gameplay and storyline very good. The next game we have in our list is the Armed Heist. Armed Heist is an action-packed third-person shooter game, and this game lets you take part in an epic crime spree. You're robbing banks and armored trucks, and to be honest, it's really fun to play. The graphics are amazing and the gameplay is also very good. There are over 70 plus challenges and you need to become a ruthless crime lord. In this game, you can use different masks and weapons to achieve your goals. You can also make your character gain levels by unlocking and customizing different varieties of weapons and gears. Graphics, sound effects and controls, everything in this game is exceptionally very good. Overall, if you're looking for a game to play quickly during your breaks, then Armed Heist is a wonderful option, which offers addictive gaming experience. The next game we have in our list is the Left to Survive. Left to Survive is a zombie apocalypse shooting game. It's a third-person shooting game where the game is set in a post-apocalyptic world. In this game, you challenge other players in a PvP matches and show your shooting skills. The graphics of this game are very good and I find the gameplay addictive. You can do a lot of things in this game which will keep you hooked for a long time. In the game you have zombie shooting action and in between rounds you will be asked to manage the camp and its structure, which makes it even more interesting. Overall a pretty good game with surprisingly good graphics and performance. For the gameplay it's alright, but for graphics we really love this game, so do check it out. And guys, here we have one more bonus game for you and it's the Modern Combat 5. Modern Combat 5 is an old game, but we really find the graphics even now very good. And because of the graphics and gameplay, we're adding this game as a bonus in our list. In short, the gameplay and controls are good, but most importantly, the graphics are improved a lot in this game, and we highly recommend you to download this game right now. So that's it guys, these were the 5 best high graphics games which you should try on your mobile this month. We will be bringing more games videos soon, and if you have any suggestions, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off and I'll see you in the next one.